Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today we'll be unboxing this toy aircraft. So this is the box. As you can see guys, we have a very big image of the aircraft. It uses infrared to control, or it uses the infrared control technology. As you can see guys, this is a box. So if you want to pause, you can pause and read. It comes in different colors. So mine is blue. Let me check here how many colors it has. So we have a red, blue. I think this is somehow orange. I think it's red and blue. I think this is a repetition. So guys, let us unbox and see how it works or what is inside the box. So to open, just open like this, then slide it like so. So for the package here, we have, I think this is a small remote, as you can see. Then we have another remote here. I don't think it has a lot of much. You have two button, control button and face like. As you can see, they look like a face, eyes and a mouth. Then we have IR, infrared. Then we have it supports AAA batteries, so but batteries are not included. So and then we have the helicopter itself. Then we have a small charging cable, micro USB. So this is for here. You just plug it here. So we have a port here, so you plug it there. Then we have the helicopter itself. This is a helicopter. We have propellers here. So in the back, bottom, I think this bottom, we have IR receiver. We have charging cable. We have LED here, which lights when it is flying. Then we have motor here. I don't think we have anything else, as you can see. So this is the it has two blades, two propellers. So guys, let us switch it on and see how it is. But first, let us insert battery on this remote. I have two AAA batteries, so let us insert them here like so. So guys, to switch it on, we have a on and off switch here. You can just turn it on like this, and there it goes. So to control with this remote, as you can see, we have the light is lit here. So to control it, you just press this button like so. This is like a spare for this one. It just works both ways. Like if you just switch it on and off, so they work both ways. Let's go somewhere and try and see how it flies. Now guys, let us test and see how it flies. As you can see, it's there. So press this button here so that it can fly like this. As you can see, it is flying. Now I noticed that this button here is for increasing the rotation speed. So if you press it, instead of bouncing up and down like this, if you press, it will go much, as you can see, it is going much faster up. If I press again, as you can see, it goes a little bit further. So if you want it to go further, you just press this button. So that is how I noticed how to do it. So but if you want this to land down, if you want it to go down, you just press it here. Or if you want it to still continue bouncing like that, just leave it like that, so that it can continue bouncing. It has a sensor on the bottom which senses the ground. So when it comes near the ground, it goes up again. So that's the function of the sensor. I can show you the sensor. Let me show you the sensor, guys. I don't know if it's we call it a sensor or what. Let me first turn it off. Now if I turn it off, we have this thing here. I don't know if you can saw. Yes, this is like, I don't know if it is IR or we can call it a sensor, but this thing, what it does when it comes near the ground, it senses the ground. Or if you put your hands like this, when it is flying, it senses the hand and it goes up again. So guys, that is what I can show you about this small plane. And for me, I don't think if I can recommend, because there's no way you can control it moving forward or back or sideways. The only direction it goes is just up and down. But if you want to, if you can give it, buy it for your kids, it's good. But for grown up people, I don't think this is a good thing. Just to be enjoying yourself. You can buy something else which is good, but for kids, it's nice. You can just give the kids, because when you press on the ground, it is not going anywhere, just bouncing around. And for the grown-ups, I don't think I can recommend this for grown-ups. But the price is very nice. It's like $10 or maybe $9. So that's another good thing about this, because it's very cheap. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on my next one.